औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, today we are going to study concept of caste system. A caste system क्या होता है? The word caste has come out of the Portuguese word casta. Portuguese word casta से ये लिया गया है whose meaning is race. Casta means race. It is also closely related with the Latin word castus, whose meaning is pure race. Latin word castus जो होता है जिसका मायने है pure race. Actually, caste system is based upon birth. The caste in which the person takes birth, he has to live with that caste for the whole life. With the birth of child, his ways of living life are determined. It keeps some restrictions on its members which are necessary to be obeyed by the person. This caste system is one of the main bases of Indian social system, and all the aspects of Hindu social life are affected by this system. जो social life हिंदू के है they are affected by this caste system. Its impact is so powerful that it has affected every group and community living in India. Caste system से हर एक ग्रुप और कम्युनिटी अफेक्ट हुई है. The word caste has been taken from the Sanskrit word jana, whose meaning is birth. Sanskrit word jana है जिसका माने है birth है. Yet this system prevailed in other societies also, but it is developed from form was available in India. Some definitions of caste system. To know the better meaning of the caste, it is necessary for us to look at the definitions of caste system given by different sociologists and psychologists. According to Risley, caste is a collection of families or group of families bearing a common name, claiming a common descent from mythical ancestor, human, or a common or a divine, professing to follow the same hereditary calling and regarded by those who are competent to give an option as forming a single homogeneous community. Risley बोलता है. And according to Robert Bisted, when a class system is a closed group on one or more than one issue, then it is known as a caste system. According to Bland, a caste is an endogamous group or collection of endogamous groups bearing a common name, membership of which is hereditary, imposing on its members certain restrictions in the matter of social intercourse, either following a common traditional occupation or claiming a common origin, and generally regarded as forming a single homogeneous community. So, on the basis of the given definitions, we can say that caste is a group whose membership is based upon birth. A person cannot leave his caste until he is not thrown out of his caste. Caste is a closed group. ये जो होता है ये closed group होता है. Means no one can marry out of his caste. इसका मतलब है no one can marry out of his caste and there are restrictions on living in it. This is all about the caste, that is the concept of caste. Thanks, have a nice